Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Audacity versus FL Studio and figure out which is best for music production in 2025. If you're creating beats, recording, or producing tracks, this guide will help you choose the right tool. Audacity is free, open source, and great for basic recording and audio editing. It works across Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it accessible for beginners or podcasters. However, it lacks built-in instruments, advanced mixing tools, and the workflow features needed for serious music production. FL Studio, on the other hand, is a full-featured DAW designed for music creators. It includes virtual instruments, advanced MIDI capabilities, automation, and a wide range of effects. Its workflow is optimized for composing, arranging, and producing tracks professionally, but it comes with a higher cost and a steeper learning curve. The difference is clear. Audacity is ideal for simple recording and editing. FL Studio is for producers who want professional grade music creation and flexibility. So that's Audacity versus FL Studio in 2025. If you want free, easy editing, Audacity works. But if you're serious about music production and want advanced tools, FL Studio is the better choice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.